really think there's a difference between the training of mechanics then and now, except that now you have more sophisticated aircraft. But us mechanics have always been concerned with aircraft safety and airworthiness. That's very, very important.
While pilots may be the airline's frontliners, scores of other technical personnel work behind the scenes to ensure that planes are in top condition for each flight.
Safety and airworthiness of the aircraft is the primary concern of the maintenance and engineering personnel. And to ensure this, they have to undergo constant training, not only here, but also abroad.
Such attention to detail is crucial, since the technical reliability of an airline's equipment and facilities depends upon the quality of its maintenance. Philippine Airlines Maintenance and Engineering Department is staffed by some 2,200 highly skilled men and women who work in modern shops and with the latest equipment. This department performs all the maintenance work needed for Philippine Airlines fleet, including wide-body aircraft. As with pilots and cabin attendants, all mechanics, technicians, and engineers must undergo training before being hired. They must also take further training at regular phases of their careers. They become specialists in different aircraft types and the specific components of these planes.
A Philippine Airlines mechanic cannot afford to commit a mistake. He should always remember that valuable human lives depend on his skill. Therefore, aside from his training, he has to constantly refer to checklists and manuals.
And every piece of work done is carried out to the highest standards of quality, which in turn is subjected to rigid inspection to be considered complete. The department conforms strictly to all checks and overhauls mandated by civil air regulations. For civil aircraft, Philippine Airlines is certified by aeronautical authorities of the United States, United Kingdom, Ireland, and the Netherlands as a repair facility for aircraft registered in their respective countries. The heart and soul of Philippine Airlines aircraft maintenance is the technical center, a 1.5 billion peso facility which sprawls over 280,000 square meters of functional space. The centerpiece of the complex is a double hangar, whose floor area is around the size of 40 basketball courts. It can accommodate 4 wide-body jets, while its apron has enough space for 14 more aircraft. Nearby is an engine overhaul and test area for the huge engines of the wide-body jets. It can accommodate engines of the future with twice as much power as those in use. The high level of skills in maintenance and engineering is supported by a network of computers that permit greater accuracy in the performance and supervision of various functions and operations. One of the many applications of these computers is keeping records of Type A components, such as engines, auxiliary power units, and landing gear. Autopilot analog and digital air data computers, which are vital to flight performance, are tested with a highly specialized computer known as the ATE, or Automatic Test Equipment. High-pressure turbine rotors are ground to required position with computer-aided measuring machines. Computer-controlled lathe machines enable technicians to work with exacting precision and productivity. A computerized robot operates the plasma flame spray, which smooths out corroded portions of metal pieces. Turboprop engines are tested in the shaft test cell using the state-of-the-art dynamometers with a capacity of up to 5,000 horsepower. Data gathered by these equipment are not only precise, but up to date. And in the calibration shop, all test instruments, test sets, and measuring devices are periodically adjusted to the guidelines of the U.S. National Bureau of Standards. This guarantees their accuracy at all times. To further enhance the skills of its operations personnel, plans have been made to establish a Philippine Airlines Technical Training Center, which shall consolidate all training programs for the airline's maintenance and engineering staff, as well as flight deck and cabin crew. In Cebu, the airline's maintenance and engineering department adheres to the same high standards of technical efficiency in servicing aircraft that fly the Visayan and Mindanao routes.
I believe in the Filipino spirit. Let it soar above the clouds. Let it be the waves of change.